Are you ready for an exclusive primer on how ChatGPT, the rage around the world, works? Use this PPT set to acquaint your audience with everything about ChatGPT. Understand the basics of its neural networks to internalize the reinforcement learning that makes it the best AI chat model today. Unearth the technological marvel of ChatGPT with a download of this PPT deck. Moreover, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Use this PPT layout to deliver a neat and easy-to-follow diagram representing the high-tech neural network architecture of ChatGPT. Apply it to explain how this technology answers our prompts with such cohesion, accuracy, and focus. Employ this PowerPoint template to present the parts that make ChatGPT more than the sum of its parts. Those components are GPT, NLP, large-scale model, context-aware, OpenAI APU, and fine-tuning. Use this PPT slide to take the audience through the working of ChatGPT. Showcase how prompt is taken as input and goes under the operators of preprocessing, encoder, decoder, generation, and comes out as output. Showcase a generic working model for ChatGPT. Present the components and working of this model, such as the self-attention mechanism, reinforcement learning, and much more. Stay ahead in the AI era. Download SlideTeam's ChatGPT PPT deck today and delve into the intricacies of this groundbreaking model. Demonstrate how natural language processing, NLP, is used to train ChatGPT with this PPT slide and how this relates to machine learning. Display the steps in a self-attention mechanism and present its components, such as transformer architecture and multi-head self-attention mechanism. Explain how it is used to get the output. Each prompt you give trains ChatGPT further. These PPT slides demonstrate the 3 steps in reinforcement learning from human feedback. These are termed as SFT model, reward model, and RL model. Test how well the reinforcement feedback method works to improve ChatGPT responses. This evaluation is based on helpfulness, truthfulness, and harmlessness. Join the forefront of conversational AI. Download SlideTeam's ChatGPT PPT module and discover the limitless potential of human-AI synergy.